will give you. And keep on asking Him and repeat it, and don't worry about saying it again and again and crying and asking. Don't lose hope. When the time is right, He will give it to you. And He is so merciful. He says, if I know in my knowledge that this is not good for you, I'll keep it away from you through my blessing. We spoke about this yesterday. And if I know that something else is better for you, I'll give you the other thing through my blessing. So just trust me. Are you ready to trust the Almighty? Trust Him. What hasn't He given you? He's blessed you with so much. We're always taught, "Unzuru ila man huwa dunakum." In order for you to express gratitude, you have to look at those who have less than you. So where have we gone wrong? We all look at those who have more than us because of social media. In fact, I can correct it. We look at those who have less than us, who pretend to have more than us, because they Photoshop things online and they've gone into shops and so on to test clothing and everything else and do a photo shoot as though they were affording all the Gucci and everything else. But when you looked at it carefully, it said Suchi and not Gucci. Yes. The latest pair of Nikes. You know what's a Nike? The fake of a Nike. And what are we doing? Strutting with those. We're showing the world. People are saying, oh, look, I don't even have proper shoes. People are crying because they are comparing their lives with yours, and you don't even have as much as they have. They probably have better than you. Whoa! Imagine, like I said earlier, today we are taught to look at those who have less than us. We are looking at those who have less than us, who are pretending to have more. So we are not happy, and as it is, they were never happy anyway. That's where we've lost the contentment. Look at what you've got. Your family, your home, your street, your neighborhood, everything. Wallahi, there are people who would cry and die to have what you have. I promise you. So show gratitude. Show gratitude. Be happy. What don't you have? Did you eat today? Did you put anything in your mouth? Did you have a little bit of liquid or water? Yes. Well, I tell you what, you're better than millions out there who are hunting for food right now. Wow. Say Alhamdulillah. All praise is due to Allah.